Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the recipe for instant raw mango chutney. Let us look at the ingredients. 1 raw mango, you can use any kind of mango available, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, 15 curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Increase the quantity of jaggery if the mango is too sour. Salt as required, 1/4 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of oil. First, peel and chop the mango into small pieces. Heat a kadai on medium flame and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Now add the curry leaves and a pinch of turmeric powder. Add the chopped mango and stir it with the tempering. Add salt and 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything once. Close it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Once the mango becomes soft and is cooked, turn the flame to low. Add jaggery. Mix it and let the jaggery melt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and cook for 2 more minutes. Once the jaggery melts and everything comes together, turn off the flame. Instant mango chutney is ready. Store it in refrigerator for about a week and enjoy it as a side dish in lunch or dinner. If you like the video, please share with family and friends. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new videos. Thank you for watching.